In today's video, we're going to look at light and airy fashion from Walmart that will carry you through the hot and humid days of summer. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you stopped by. Now let's get started. I do want to say a huge thank you to today's sponsor, HelloFresh. We'll talk about them more in just a little bit, but for now, let's look at the first piece. I want to start with the top that I have on because this feels light as a cloud on. This one is by Free Assembly. They're calling this the button-down top with 3/4 length tie sleeves. It's currently on sale on the Walmart website for just $18. I will have everything that we talk about in this video linked in the description box below. This one was originally $24 and it is made so well I actually thought it was worth the $24, which is what I paid. This one is available in sizes small through 3XL. For your reference, I am wearing a size medium in all of the pieces that I will share with you today unless otherwise noted. This top comes in 4 pretty colorways. The fabric is 100% cotton, which is one of my favorite fabrics because it's so light and breathable. The care instructions say to machine wash cold and tumble dry, and then you can use a cool iron as needed. This lovely woven top features a flattering V neckline, button closure. It has keyhole ties at the 3/4 length sleeves, and then shearing on the back with a rounded hemline. I love the way this particular top feels on, so much so in fact that I did pick it up in a second color when I saw that it was on sale on the Walmart website. So I also picked up this fun plaid. This feels like a dream on. It is so light, so breathable. I still get arm coverage, but it is perfect for spring and summer days. Just in case you're curious, the earrings that I'm wearing I did pick up in store. They're by the brand Time and True. I paid $6.92 for these. These are a gold tone and they are light as a feather even though they have a nice statement look to them. I like the geometric shape of these. I think it goes well with the plaid. If I can find these on the Walmart website, I will link them in the description box below. The next top that I have to share with you is also by Time and True, and I did pick this one up in store as well. This one sells for $21.98. It seems to me that the Walmart prices are creeping up. I feel like in the past, this top maybe would have sold for $19.99. I know I'm splitting hairs, but I just wanted to point that out. I will say that this one feels well made. It comes in sizes extra small through 3XL and is available in 4 fun prints, 2 florals and 2 plaids, and I have one of each to share with you. The fabric on this one is a crisp rayon blend. I will circle back to that, and the care instructions say to machine wash cold and line dry. This top features a square neckline, so far we've covered a V-neck, a sweetheart, and a square neckline, so it's nice to see some variety at Walmart. It has a smocked bodice, which I'm typically a fan of, and a peplum hem, which is another detail I really like. And then it has these pretty 3/4 length sleeves with ties at the cuff. Now, I'm just going to say it. I love the way this top looks, but I have to admit that for me personally, I do not find it to be particularly comfortable. It's not scratchy or anything like that, but when I had it on, I was very aware of the smocking against the belly area, which is where I happen to carry most of my weight. It's not so much that the smocking was uncomfortable or scratchy or tight. I was just very aware of it on my belly, if that makes sense. I also want to circle back to the fabric. This is a stiffer cotton. Again, it's not uncomfortable, but it is definitely more structured. Now, I could easily wear this out to dinner or for a couple of hours, but this is just not the kind of top, if I'm being honest, that I would pull to wear all day. It's just a little bit fussy for me. Something else that I want to point out is even though I am short-waisted, I found this top to be on the short side. It does not say on the Walmart website that it's supposed to be cropped, but I want to point this out to you just in case you are taller than I am, that this top might almost be cropped on you. I think that this top is so pretty on and I have so much that goes with it that I will keep it, but again, it's not a top that I'm going to pull just to run to the grocery store, if you know what I mean. I just heard a delivery truck in my driveway, so I think my HelloFresh box just arrived. Let's pop into my kitchen and see what I got. You don't have to be a chef to serve restaurant quality meals at home because each HelloFresh recipe comes comes with pre-measured ingredients and step-by-step full-color recipe cards. Today we're going to make the one-pan trattoria tortellini bake. It has a crispy Parmesan panko topping. We're just going to preheat the oven to broil, add the panko, a little drizzle of olive oil, some salt and pepper to a small bowl, and give it a mix. We're going to add a drizzle of oil to an oven-safe hot pan and add our minced garlic, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes to taste. We're just going to saute this for 30 seconds. Next we add the fresh diced tomato, add a little bit of salt and pepper, and give it a mix. We're going to add the pre-portioned tomato paste and give it another stir. Now we add the mushroom stock concentrate. This adds a ton of flavor. And then we add the cream cheese and give it a deep stir to fully incorporate the cream cheese. We're going to add our fresh tortellini and simmer for just 5 minutes. We're going to enrich the sauce with a little bit of butter, sprinkle on our panko topping and Parmesan cheese, and pop the whole thing under the broiler for just a couple of minutes to get that nice crispy crust. I like to add a little fresh parsley from my herb garden as a garnish for color, and here's the finished dish. I wish that you could smell this. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. I love the contrast between the crispy topping and the delicate tortellini. Okay, one more bite. Each week, HelloFresh offers a ton of mouth-watering, chef-crafted recipes for you to choose from. And if you're in a hurry, HelloFresh even offers recipes that come together in 15 minutes flat. There are also a variety of plans for you to choose from, whether it's quick and easy, family-friendly, meat and veggies. They even offer vegetarian and pescatarian. Next, I made the roasted garlic and zucchini flatbreads with white sauce, mozzarella, and grape tomatoes. My husband loved this because it was kind of an elevated pizza. Next, I made the sweet potato and pepper quesadillas with Southwest crema and tomatoes. The combination of the roasted sweet potato and then the fresh salsa drizzled with the crema gave this one a ton of flavor. If you want to try HelloFresh for yourself, go to HelloFresh.com and use code TheresaRene16 at checkout for 16 free meals plus free shipping. Again, that's code TheresaRene16 at checkout for 16 free meals plus free shipping. I do want to say a huge thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the fashion. The next piece that I want to talk about, I did pick up in store. This one is by Time and True. They're calling this the Flutter sleeve top. It sells for $13.98. It is available in sizes extra small through 3XL, and it comes in 2 colorways. So there's the navy with the white embroidery that I'm showing, and then the reverse, which is white with navy embroidery. I think I've seen a couple of different colors of this at my local Walmart as well. The fabric, again, is 100% cotton, and the care instructions are super easy. Just machine wash cold and tumble dry. This fun and flirty jersey knit top features a pretty sweetheart neckline. It has elastic at the shoulders with a sheared front and raglan flutter sleeves. Navy and white is one of my go-to looks for summer, and you could do this one in either direction. You can pair the navy top with white bottoms of your choice, whether it's shorts, crops, or even a skirt. Or you could pair the white top with navy bottoms, and of course both look great with denim. You could also create monochromatic looks and wear the navy top with a navy bottom and the white top with a white bottom. The next top that I want to talk about is also an in-store purchase. This one is by Time and True. They're calling this the Ruffle tank top, and it sells for $15.98. It's available in sizes extra small through 3XL, and it comes in 4 pretty colors. 2 soft watercolor florals and 2 solids. I have 2 of these options to share with you. This lightweight woven top features a split neck with self ties, short flutter sleeves, and it has a dropped yoke in the back. The fabric is 100% cotton. I am just loving all of the natural fibers that Walmart is putting out lately, because when it's hot and sticky out, I really need breathable fabric, especially, I know, TMI, when a hot flash hits, but I digress. This top is light, easy, and breezy. I do want to point out that this does have a little bit of a boxy fit. So in general, I would give it a front tuck just to define the waist a little bit. But with that said, when it gets really hot and humid out, I would definitely wear it more loose and flowy because I'm all about staying cool. Just while I'm thinking of it, you ladies often ask me about the accessories and the shoes that you see during the try-ons that you watch on and off to the side. I recently did a video of some of my favorite shoes for spring and summer. I will try to remember to link that video in the cards above. This particular pair, it's by Dream Pairs, is on Amazon. They are very affordable and so comfortable. Most of the shoes that you're seeing in this video that you're watching are from that Amazon video, so you might want to check that one out. The next top is another lightweight and comfortable top for the dog days of summer. This one is by Time and True and is available both in-store and online. They're calling it the Chambray Peplum tank top for $15.98. It comes in sizes extra small through 3XL, and it is available in two colors that are very different from one another. I'm showing what they're calling tie-dye, but I want to point out that it is a very muted tie-dye. It is not that overdone in-your-face tie-dye that we have been seeing. It also comes in a solid that they're calling washed black, and to me it's kind of a summer black, if that makes sense, because it's not as harsh as a true inky black. The fabric is 100% lyocell, which is one of my favorite fabrics because it tends to drape nicely, and yet it's still very lightweight and breathable. The care instructions are super easy as well, just machine wash cold, tumble or hang to dry. This top features a split V-neck with self ties. In general, I always wear these ties loose. In fact, I'm curious, do you usually tie tops like this? Let me know in the comments down below. This one has a soft chambray feel to it and a peplum hem. The only criticism that I have about this one, and it really depends on where the gathered peplum hits you at the waist, but on me it can add volume to the waist and almost, dare I say it, look maternity. And at 60 years old, that is not the look I am going for. With that said, I am short-waisted, and I'm just not certain that this particular cut is flattering on me. I feel like it makes me look bigger than I actually am. In fact, let me know what you think of this one in the comment section down below. You ladies never steer me wrong. Total random side note, but sometimes I get comments that say, I hate to say this, but, and then you tell me your honest opinion. I want your honest opinion. You help me to make decisions on what to keep and what to pass on, and I really do value and appreciate it. And in today's episode of I typically stay out of the juniors department, but I have another juniors top to share with you. Yep, I veered off course again when I spotted this top from across the aisle and I wanted to give it a try. This one is by No Boundaries. They're calling this the Crochet Lace Sleeveless Top for $12.98, so it has a great price point. It comes in sizes extra small through 3XL, and as always with juniors pieces, I did go up one size, so I did pick up a size large. This top comes in 4 colors, and all of the colors were beautiful. It's a polyester rayon and spandex blend. The care instructions say to machine wash cold and tumble or hang to dry. I think that I would hang this one to dry just because of the crochet feature. This top has a soft knit fabric with a keyhole button at the back of the neck, which is not always my favorite, but I was able to pretty easily manipulate this one, I will say. It has a pretty crochet lace yoke and hemline and is very light and flowy. I love the way the lace at the hem shows against the contrast of the white or the denim bottoms. As with the previous top, I personally had the same fit issue with this one because it's kind of a baby doll style. It hangs very wide on me and again looking borderline maternity. So this pretty top is sadly going to be returned. With all of that said, I am glad that I tried it because if I hadn't tried it, I would just keep thinking about it. Do you ever have that happen where you see something in a store and you just keep passing by it, but you don't try it, and then eventually curiosity gets the best of you because you have this image of it built up into your head and you keep thinking this could be fabulous. And sometimes when you try it, it is a disaster, like the top that I just shared with you. But at least once you know that, you can move on with your life. I am totally rambling right now. I spend so much time filming by myself that in my head, I am having a complete full-on conversation with you. The next piece, my hair looks extra crazy today. I don't know what I call this style. I think I call it, I completely give up. It's kind of a ponytail. Not really. I was at an outdoor event yesterday and I have got the fuzzies. And in today's episode of I Stay Out of the Juniors Department, the next piece that I want to talk about, I did pick up in... I keep hitting my microphone. And a peplum hem, also another favorite. My earring just fell right off my ear.
A few moments later.
I'm just going to put that back in and keep on going. I have a tendency not to put backs on earrings. I just squeeze them in a little bit and that way I can take them off quickly. I actually picked up this top to go with a couple of shorts from Walmart that match it exactly, but holy cannoli, are these shorts shorter than I thought they would be. So I think I'll talk about these in a future Walmart video. I don't have the nerve to try them on right now. If you want to see even more affordable outfit inspiration from Walmart, you're going to want to watch this video next. Thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I will see you next time.